guys, this is OMG Tech Freak, and today I'm going to unbox the all new SanDisk Ultra dual USB drive. So let's see the compatibility options. Yeah, it's compatible with Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Mac OS X version 10.5 plus, and it also has a 5-year warranty, and its MRP in India is 1199. So now let's unbox it. Oh. Yes. So this is the drive, and here you can see this port is the port which you have to plug in your PC, and when we push, and you can see there is a cover on the 2.0 port, and when we push the cover it moves onto the other port so that it cannot be used at the same time. Okay, so this is the port which you have to plug in your phone. See, currently my phone is switched off because the battery is low, so cannot show you, but I'll soon be updating a new video on how to use this drive. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.